What's up guys, this is Massey, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to continue giving you examples regarding multiplication of binomials and binomials which have square roots. So that's the multiplication of binomials and they include square roots. The first example is 6 minus 3 root 7 times 3 plus 4 root 7. Answer is 6 times 3, 6 times 4 root 7, negative 3 root 7 times 3, right? And then negative 3 root 7 times 4 roots. So negative 3 root 7 times 4 root 7. It's going to be 18 plus 24 root 7 minus 9 root 7, and here we have negative 12 7, because root 7 times root 7 is going to be 7. It's going to make it as 18 minus 12 times 7 is 84. 24 root 7 minus 9 root 7 will be 15 root 7. So the answer is going to be 18 minus 84 will be, it's going to be minus 66 plus 15 root 7. Next example, we have 2 minus 3 root 11 times 4 minus root 11. Answer is 2 times 4 plus 2 times negative square root of 11 plus negative 3 root 11 times 4 and then minus 3 root 11 times negative root 11. 2 times 4 is 8. This one is minus 2 root 11. This one is negative 12 root 11. And then negative 3 root 11 times negative 11 will be positive 3 times 11, because root 11 times root 11 is going to be just 11. The answer is going to be 8 plus 33 is going to be 41. Negative 2 root 11, negative 12 root 11 is going to be negative 20 root 11. Next example, 3 root 2 minus root 5 times root 5 plus, root 2 plus 4 root 5. So we have 3 root 2 minus root 5 times root 2 plus 4 root 5. Answer is going to be 3 root 2 times root 2 plus 3 root 2 times 4 root 5, then minus root 5 times root 2 plus negative root 5 times 4 root 5. 3 root 2 times root 2 is going to be just 3 times 2. 3 times 4 root 2 times root 5 is going to be root 10. Negative root 5 times negative root 2 is going to be negative root 10. And here negative root 5 times 4 root 5 is going to be minus 5 times 4. That makes it 6 plus 12 root 10 minus root 10 minus 20. That will make it negative 14 plus 11 root 10. That's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.